Now we've got normal spoilage and abnormal spoilage. And the reason I bring this up, it's the same dang thing. So this is our capitalized inventoriable cost. Inventoriable cost equals product cost equals capitalized equals put on the balance sheet. Period cost equals expensed equals income statement equals abnormal spoilage equals how many more things do I want to say equals. And what's an example here? So let's say that you are cutting circles to make tables. You're cutting circles of wood out of a sheet of wood. And let's say, right, you're cutting a circle, so you're only using this part. All this other part is scrap. But you expect that to be scrap, right? That's normal spoilage. It's spoiled, but it's normal. It's expected. It happens every single time. So you don't just count the cost of this circle of wood, right? You count the cost of this whole sheet of wood. And then that goes into the value of the inventory in the balance sheet. Whereas, let's say all of a sudden a bunch of planks of wood get ruined by a flood in the warehouse. That's unexpected or abnormal spoilage. It's spoiled, right? It's garbage now, but it is abnormal. It's not what happens during our normal production process. And as such, you are going to expense that. It goes in the income statement. So normal spoilage, use this example. I think it's a good one. Direct materials, direct labor, abnormal spoilage, component of cost of goods manufactured. It is overhead. So this is the accounting for it. This is the cost treatment. This is what you do. So you'll see some multiple choice questions on that. You'll see some, get ready for it. You'll be just fine.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.